Hey YouTube, this is Jay and T Customs. I'm Jay.
I'm T.
And how are you doing? Alright, this is episode 3 of our front bumper reconstruction. So I have one side just about done. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my template that I've cut out on that shape, and I'm going to cut it, flip it over. And I'm going to line it up with this side. Just like that. Okay. And now this section right here will be the other end of the bumper. Okay. I don't know if you can see that. So what I've done is I've cut this half of the bumper out, and then I've made this shape. I'm going to continue to make this shape here. Okay, but what I wanted to do is I wanted to make the other side. So what I've done is I've taken a piece of cardboard, laid it out underneath this one, and traced the size, flipped it over, and now this is the same shape that I have on this side of the bumper. So now I can start building this section of the bumper like this side over here. So that's what we're going to work on now. Okay, so I'm just going to put you up over here. Hopefully you'll be able to see everything. My tripod broke, so until I get a new one tomorrow, just have to bear with me for a moment. Okay. Okay, so back to this. So now what we're going to do is I'm going to just tap these. Careful, you're going to break your knuckles.
No, it fell off the thing.
Alright, so what we have to do is we have to, lengthen this out to here. And this here is going to match that. So what we're going to do now is cut this so it fits the same thickness as this. Remember, this is just a template, so it doesn't have to be perfect. All this is our form. At this stage, it doesn't have to be super perfect. It will have to fit right, but it doesn't have to be super perfect. Get to that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to build this structure here, continue it over here, and that will give this more strength also. So I need my sticks out some. It's because as this thing comes out, okay, it's going to come out slightly here, so it lines up with this. It's going to come out here, so you can see where we have to
you